So it's out of HDR mode, and if we go to camera settings here, camera settings, then I can do 2.7, 60 frames a second. I'm going to go back and just go to auto, and I'm just going to change the exposure value. That looks better. Use a 0.7. There we go. We'll start the recording. Start the recording. And we're going to fly away. You ready? Put the gimbal up. And fly. So it's very snowy out here and cold. As you can see, that the gimbal's got some jelly in it. The drone's right up there. Yeah, doing quite well. I'm not going to go too high. I'm now 51 meters high. Maybe 70 meters would be the most I'll fly. Point the camera down. Give you guys a look. At the school. Alright, 85% battery. I won't be out here long. What I wanted to do, what I'm going to do is compare the Xeno Pro camera also under these kind of conditions. I'm just doing the classic drone shot, guys. And there we are. Really is cold out here. Well, I am so glad we got back here because look at that. That's where the drone went. Wow. Guess I better get my feet wet. Wasn't expecting this. Perfect landing right there. Holy moly. Come on, buddy, get on out of there. Wow. What just happened? Did you overheat? Oh, one of the motors overheated. Smell it. Yeah, this motor overheated. This motor right there. Ooh, it's hot. Well, very lucky I brought it back. Wow. Flying a Fimi X8 2020. Very cold conditions, about 32 degrees here. We had about 3.5, 4 inches of snow. Flying for 15 minutes, bringing it back to land it, and it came and fell out of the sky. One of the motors overheated. It was the left front motor overheated and brought this thing down. But it came down control, and luckily I landed it right there in the snow. Crazy. Okay, so that is it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. All right, I'll see you guys in future videos. Bye-bye.